Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best products on the market so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're looking at a product that has quickly earned the title of Best Safety Goggles Anti-Fog Scratch Resistant, and we're going to show you why. Let's talk about the 28-pack crystal clear safety glasses. This is a bulk set that includes 28 pairs, 24 standard units plus 4 extra, all individually packaged. Whether you're outfitting a construction crew, equipping a science lab, or just want solid protective eyewear for various tasks around the home or workplace, this set delivers exceptional value. First and foremost, the lens material is polycarbonate. That means you're getting a tough, impact-resistant barrier between your eyes and potential hazards. Polycarbonate is known for its strength and clarity. It's the same material used in bullet-resistant windows and astronaut helmets. With this eyewear, you're getting crystal clear vision and confidence that your eyes are protected from flying debris, dust, or even light chemical splashes. These glasses are ANSI Z87.1 certified, which is a huge deal. This certification is issued by the American National Standards Institute and ensures that these glasses meet rigorous safety standards. It's the benchmark in industrial safety. It means these goggles are approved for use in professional environments like construction, manufacturing, shooting ranges, or scientific labs. Comfort is another area where these glasses shine. They're designed to be unisex and fit a wide range of face shapes and sizes. The frames are lightweight, making them comfortable enough to wear for hours at a time without the pinching or pressure points that some cheaper options have. Plus, the arms have enough flex to fit securely without being tight, ideal if you're sharing these among team members or students. Now, let's talk about visibility. These glasses are not only clear but built to resist scratches, which is a critical factor when you need consistent optical clarity. Scratches can distort your view or become a distraction, so having anti-scratch protection means they last longer and stay useful even after repeated use. They also have a design that reduces fogging, which is crucial in humid environments or when you're wearing a mask. Nothing's worse than safety glasses fogging up in the middle of a task, and that's something these glasses are designed to minimize. Another big selling point is how they're packaged. Each pair comes individually wrapped, which makes it easy to distribute and also keeps them clean and protected before use. If you're a business owner or team lead, this makes logistics a breeze. These are great not only for professional use but also for personal projects, woodworking, lawn care, spray painting, or even COVID-19 protection protocols. The quantity means you'll always have a backup, or several, ready to go. To wrap it up, if you're looking for the best combination of durability, protection, clarity, comfort, and quantity, the 28-pack crystal clear safety glasses set is an absolute winner. It's rare to find this level of quality at such an affordable price point per pair, and with ANSI certification included, you're getting peace of mind with every use. This has been Product Critique, your guide to the best tools, gear, and gadgets that make your life safer, smarter, and simpler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth reviews just like this. See you in the next video.